Ever wanted to get fit fast without any expensive gym equipment? Stick around because in this video, I'm revealing 5 powerful exercises that will transform your body quickly and effectively. Today, we're diving into 5 amazing exercises that require zero equipment but deliver maximum results. Whether you're looking to shed pounds, build muscle, or boost your overall fitness, these moves have got you covered. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Push-ups. First up, we have the classic push-up. This versatile exercise targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Push-ups not only build upper body strength, but also enhance core stability, helping you achieve a well-rounded physique. Push-ups build upper body strength and enhance core stability. They improve your posture and can even help prevent shoulder injuries. Push-ups also enhance cardiovascular health by increasing heart rate and improving circulation. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Push-ups are hard. And yeah, they can be challenging at first, especially if you're new to exercise. But that's okay. We're going to start with modifications and work our way up together. If you're just starting out, try doing push-ups against a wall. Stand facing a wall, about an arm's length away, and place your hands shoulder-width apart on the wall. Lower your chest towards the wall, keeping your core engaged, then push back up. As you get stronger, you can progress to doing push-ups on your knees, and eventually, you'll be rocking those full push-ups like a pro. Remember, consistency is key. Even if you start with just a few reps, stick with it, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. Next, we have squats, a fundamental lower body exercise. Seriously, squats are like the holy grail of lower body workouts, and for good reason. This one move targets so many muscle groups at once, it's like a full leg workout in a single exercise. We're talking quads, hamstrings, glutes, all those muscles that give you that toned and sculpted look. So how do you do a proper squat? Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and knees behind your toes, and return to the standing position. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Heard of squats before? Make sure to subscribe. Squats target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while engaging your core. They boost your metabolism, burn a ton of calories, and improve overall mobility and flexibility. Squats also help maintain bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Engage your core and stand tall with the plank. All right, let's shift gears and focus on that core strength with the mighty plank. Don't let the stillness fool you. This exercise is a total body burner, and it's amazing for sculpting those abs and strengthening your entire midsection. Think of the plank as your secret weapon against back pain. A strong core is crucial for supporting your spine and maintaining good posture, which can significantly reduce those aches and pains we all hate. But the plank doesn't stop there. It also strengthens your shoulders, glutes, and even your leg muscles, making it a truly effective full-body exercise. And because it challenges your balance and stability, the plank is fantastic for improving your coordination and preventing injuries. Think about it. The stronger your core, the better your body can handle unexpected movements and changes in direction. Now let's talk about how to do a perfect plank. Start in a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, lower down onto your forearms. Make sure your elbows are directly beneath your shoulders and your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine and hold that position. Aim for 30 seconds to start and gradually increase the hold time as you get stronger. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to hold a perfect plank for a shorter time than to let your form slip and risk injury. Next up, lunges. Ready to sculpt those legs and improve your balance? Then lunges are your new best friend. This dynamic exercise targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, while also challenging your core and improving your coordination. Lunges are what we call a functional exercise, meaning they mimic movements we use in everyday life, like walking, climbing stairs, and even just getting up from a chair. By strengthening these muscles, lunges make those everyday activities easier and help prevent injuries. But lunges aren't just about strength. They're also amazing for improving your balance and stability. Because you're working one leg at a time, your core has to work extra hard to keep you stable. which helps develop those deep core muscles that are so important for overall fitness. And here's a bonus. Lunges are great for correcting muscle imbalances. If one leg is stronger than the other, lunges can help even things out, reducing your risk of injury and improving your overall athleticism. So how do you do a proper lunge? Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Take a big step forward with your right foot, lowering your hips down until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle, and your back knee is hovering just above the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position, and repeat on the other side. Remember, form is key. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and don't let your front knee cave inward. Ignite your metabolism with explosive burpees. Get ready to crank up the intensity. This full-body exercise is the ultimate calorie torture and will leave you feeling energized and powerful. Have you heard of burpees before? Drop a comment below. Burpees are a combination of squats, push-ups, and jumps, making them a truly effective full-body workout. They target your legs, core, chest, shoulders, and arms, all in one explosive movement. But burpees aren't just about building strength. They're also fantastic for improving your cardiovascular fitness and boosting your metabolism. The high-intensity nature of burpees gets your heart rate pumping and your lungs working, which helps you burn calories and improve your endurance. And because burpees work so many muscle groups at once, they require a lot of energy, which means you'll continue burning calories even after your workout is over. Talk about a win-win. So how do you do a burpee? Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower down into a squat position and place your hands on the ground in front of you. Kick your feet back into a push-up position, do a push-up, then quickly jump your feet back to your hands. Explosively jump up into the air, reaching your arms overhead. That's one rep. Remember, burpees are challenging. Start with a few reps and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. And don't be afraid to modify the exercise if needed. You can step your feet back instead of jumping, or omit the push-up if you're just starting out. Wow, you made it! Give yourself a huge pat on the back for crushing those 5 powerful exercises. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Try incorporating these moves into your routine a few times a week, and watch your fitness levels soar. To recap, we covered push-ups for upper body strength, squats for lower body power, planks for core stability, lunges for balance and coordination, and burpees for a full body blast. And the best part? You can do all of these exercises right at home with no equipment needed. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome fitness tips and workout routines. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are ready to transform their bodies too.